How to turn on download videos on your TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on download videos on your TikTok. So now go to your TikTok. Like you see, this is my video. I'm gonna click on those 3 points, and like you see, you can save video because I turn on my download. All you need to do like me, click on those 3 points, click on setting and privacy. Now click on privacy, which is the second choice, and on the safety you're gonna choose this first option, which is download, and click to turn on this option. Now this is allow other people to download your videos and share download to others platform. If this setting is off, a link to your video can still be shared. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video please don't forget to subscribe and like.